In this tutorial, we will try to explain step by step how you can turn paintings, photos or drawings into pixel art in MS Paint in the most practical way. To get the most out of this training, following this content and our previous and subsequent or other related trainings that we publish in series will help you understand and achieve much more. We open MS Paint and start with a clean and blank canvas with a white background color. There are 4 different image files that we keep on the desktop to turn it into pixel art. The first one is a simple umbrella drawing. We drag and drop the simple umbrella drawing into MS Paint, which is already open. Then select the whole image and gradually minimize it by pressing the Ctrl and minus keys. It is important to note that each time the image is minimized, the number of pixels is reduced by simplifying the image without preserving the number of pixels. When you press Ctrl and plus and gradually enlarge the image again, you will notice that the initial pixel density of the image has decreased and it has become more simplified and pixelated. In fact, pixel loss and new pixel intensification during resizing in MS Paint is a disadvantage, while a feature like pixelization can be considered an advantage. There is an inverse correlation between the level of pixelization and the preservation of the original characteristics of the image. As pixelization increases, many pixels and colors become fewer and simpler, resulting in a new pixel density. So much so that if you try to the last level, you may end up with a few pixels when you enlarge it again. No matter the type of image or resolution, you can turn any image into pixel art by pixelizing it. We import 4 different versions of the pixelized umbrella drawing onto a new clean canvas. In the same way, we transfer the other 3 images on the desktop to the canvas to pixelize them. For pixelization, we can perform the same operations on multiple images on a single canvas. We can pixelize them all at once or select them in order and pixelize them again. We pixelize the simple pineapple drawing by resizing it as in the umbrella example. As we mentioned before, it doesn't matter if the image we choose to pixelize is a drawing or a real photo. We can use this method for any image. Our next exercise is to pixelize a photo of a cherry. However, after a certain stage, we reinforce the thin cherry stem with brushes or line tools to compensate for the loss due to pixelization and then pixelize it again. As can be seen, after a certain stage, the pixelization process was successfully performed to reconstruct the image into equal artificial square pixels and fill in the missing parts. We can manipulate the image file that we are going to pixelize, fill in the missing parts, and make unlimited changes during the pixelization phase, and then intervene as we wish. Following the same step-by-step process, we pixelize the cropped green race car photo in several stages. Finally, we summarize all this work by collecting our canvas. Yes, we have come to the end of this training content. If you haven't seen it, we recommend you to watch the previous and subsequent trainings of the series. We will continue the series with more beautiful trainings, and we will be with you again very soon. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.